so I ran over to Hobby Lobby because I had seen that their fall stuff was on 90% off clearance. So there was like some confusion because on the website it was 75, but in the app it shows 90. So I even did a video like, oh my gosh, run, it's 90% off. I did like a YouTube short. But when I got to the cash register, the girl's like, oh, only the stuff that says fall is on 90, but if it says fall tableware, it's only 50. So, like, half my stuff I had to put back, but I still got a lot of stuff. I spent under $10 for everything, I'm pretty sure. I'll look for my receipt. So let's see. So it has to say just fall, just like the tag right here, and that is 90% off. So these came out to 39 cents. So I thought these would be great little shadow boxes to go ahead and get like little 3D figures and fill this up. So I grabbed 3 of those. And then for the socks, they were 59 cents. So this one says, I've got my eyes on the pie. So I thought that was really cute. So I think I got 2 of those. Yeah, one for me, one for my mom. And then they had this little bird one, Who's Judging? So there's that little crow guy. That one was 59 cents. I don't like birds, so I'm not going to keep that one for myself. Then they had these little gnomies. These were 29 cents a piece. So we got one with pumpkin pie. We have, oh, I didn't even notice. I said we have a plain one, but no, I didn't realize his whole hands and everything is missing. Okay, so I'm going to have to repaint this one, and I'll just like paint in his beard. I didn't even realize that he was, you know, missing his little hands. Poor little guy, but he was still only 29 cents. And then here's another one of the pumpkin pie one. So I got those. And this one was open, so I don't even know if all the pieces are in there or not. But I'm like, you know what? For 24 cents, it doesn't matter. I'll take it. So they're supposed to be mini pumpkins. I don't know how these are supposed to be pumpkins. I see it more being an apple. So I was thinking maybe trying to paint them and do some poison apples out of these. Because, yeah, this stem is way too long. I mean, unless I figure out how to cut the stem down. But still, I think it looks more like an apple. Even like a tire for like a car. For like a toy car, you know. But yeah, it says mini pumpkins. I'm just not seeing it. So we'll have to paint those and see what I can do with those. And then there was just some covered wire that was 99 cents. So I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I'm thinking beads might be able to fit on here. Maybe do, I've been dying to do like a coffee project. So I was like, maybe I'll need it for that. So I don't know. I figured let's just take it, have it on hand, and we'll figure it out later. I found some scarecrow hats. These were 29 cents. So you get 4 of them in there. And it is the one with a little orange. I think there was brown or black earlier in the season, but these were the only 2 that they had, so I picked those up. I was thinking you could definitely paint these black and use it for like a Frosty the Snowman. I think would still be really cute. Or I was thinking about painting it green and using it for like a little leprechaun hat for St. Patrick's Day. So yeah, tons of different ideas for those. And if I forget anything and you guys have an idea of what to do with it, please let me know. I'm always open and love suggestions. So if you see something and you're like, you know what, instead of, you know, leprechaun hat, do this or that, you know, let me know. There was this cute little orange mason jar, and it was only 29 cents. It was the only one there, so I don't know if it was meant to have a lid or not, but I'm like, I'm taking it anyways for the 29 cents. And then they had these little red trucks, which I thought were super cute. So I got one for myself and one for a crafty friend. And these came out to 34 cents. I'm trying to get out all the fall stuff. Let's see. Whoops. These were 49 cents, and they're called little fall ornaments. There's 3 of them. But I just thought these were really cute. I like that it already has a little eyelet in there. You can use these like double-sided. Like you can definitely decorate this side. If you wanted to trace it out, lay some paper on here, glue that down. Do like some little like fall leaves and a pumpkin decoration. And then you would have the other side that says like pumpkin fall or harvest. Or you could just totally use this side and just have the back be blank. It's up to you. But I was like, for 50 cents, let me go ahead and grab those. Then my big find, this one was $1.50, and it's the little red truck with the pumpkins. It is broken right here, but I don't mind that. I'm like, I'll just have to find something to like glue over it to kind of hide that. But I just thought it was really cute. I love the little red trucks, and for that price, I'm like, it needs to come home with me. So if you have any suggestions on what to glue on here, let me know. Obviously not a bird. I'm not a fan of birds, but I don't know. Oh, I can get some like little sunflowers and then just glue them throughout. That would be cute. So I can put like one here, one over here, one up here. That would be cute. Okay, so I gotta pull them out because I just bought them last week. They were 75% off, and I just bought some little mini sunflowers. So that would be cute, and then I can hide that little spot. Oh, genius. Love it. Okay, so then I got, I've been making Pokie tools. And I like using the little earrings for like putting at the end of the Pokie tool. So these were $1 because they're half off. And then there's 220 pieces. I had originally bought the ones that like look like little stars. I think they call them like flowers or something, flower backers. But they were just like falling apart. So what I do is I put all my beads on the Pokie tool. I was putting that other little star earring stopper. And then I would take it off and then glue everything back on. And then when I would put it back on, like half of them were breaking. So I'm going to try these to see if these are any better. So these kind of look more like little plugs than the little like star looking flower one. So hopefully those work out better. And then Christmas is 50% off. And I'm so proud of myself because they had 4 of these. And I originally wanted to buy all 4. But I'm like, no, you're supposed to not be shopping. Only get 1. So half off, it was $1. There's 40 little stickers, but look at how cute. It just says Merry Christmas in gold. I just thought these were so pretty. And I didn't remember having these in my stash. I remember last year I had, I think they were like red, but they were clear. And these look like they're white. So yeah, I don't think I have those. So that's why I was like, get them all. And then I'm like, no, control yourself. So I put it back. And then my last little item was I got a little Santa Yorkie. So our little pup is a Yorkie, and then our big older dog is a boxer. So I don't think I have any ornaments for the pup. So we got this one, and it only came out to $2. So that was really good. So that's everything that I picked up today from Hobby Lobby. I hope you guys are able to get out and get some of these amazing deals because look, I hardly spent anything. Let me find my receipt here. I spent, okay, it says I got 20 items and I spent $11.78. And it says I saved $74.37. So you can see right here. Bought 20 items. My total was $11.78 and I saved $74.37. That is just amazing. Hopefully it will go 90% off after Thanksgiving. I'm not really sure if they'll have anything left by then, but I'm hoping that they do because like I said, I had some fall tableware that was really nice that I was hoping to get. I talk to you guys all the time about how forks go missing in this house. I have no idea how or why, but ever since my brother moved in with us, I cannot keep silverware in this house. They just go missing. The kids eat it. They throw them away even though they swear they don't. Like, I have no idea. So they had some silverware sets that I wanted again. They would have come out to like $7 or $8. So I wanted that. There was also some bowls that were like cooking bowls that had like a lid on it that was actually fall. And those would have come out to like $3.50. And then there was like the mugs. The mugs are so cute, and those would have been like $1, I think. $1.50. And then there was like a big like ceramic sunflower bowl that I had. So yeah, they had a ton of really nice fall tableware, but I didn't want to spend, you know, the money for it only being 50% off. So I'll definitely be heading back. Fingers crossed I'll be able to find some stuff. So anyways, that's our little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.